Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more update. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video. How to make a designing letter on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab. Select the text field be rating. Size the letter, font of letter, adjust the letter. Select the texture, go to the gallery, select a photo, adjust the photo of letter. Select the 3D shape. Please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.